What's the meaning of casualty department? Casualty department. Casualty department.
Casualty department. Casualty department. The term casualty department typically refers to a medical facility or ward that provides immediate care to patients who have suffered from sudden injury or illness. These types of departments are often found in hospitals and are staffed by highly trained medical professionals who specialize in emergency medicine. Patients who visit the casualty department may receive treatment for a variety of conditions, ranging from minor injuries such as cuts and bruises to more serious ailments such as heart attacks and strokes. The ultimate goal of a casualty department is to provide rapid, effective treatment to those in need in order to minimize the risk of long-term health consequences.